Madison, a team member, needs access to Adobe Photoshop for an upcoming project. She reaches out to the AI-integrated service desk via email. She receives a response stating the procedures she needs to follow to access the software. It also provides an alternative option to submit a request automatically through AI. When she suggests proceeding with the automatic request, the AI service desk processes it and notifies her manager about the request. With AI Service Desk's seamless integration, accessing software for work is efficient and hassle-free. Mike, a team member, needs help setting up multi-factor authentication for his account. He reaches out to the support team via SMS. When he requests to set up MFA for his account, the AI-integrated service desk replies to ask for further details. Now, Mike wants to proceed with the app, and he immediately gets a reply insisting on some steps to follow to enable MFA. Then, Mike chooses to get a direct link to the settings page, and he gets it within no time. Integrating the AI Service Desk ensures secure and efficient account management with step-by-step guidance for MFA setup. Sophia, the IT Service Desk Manager, uses AI Copilot to monitor the health of the IT infrastructure and streamline ticket management. First, Sophia begins to ask AI Copilot about the unresolved tickets. With the ServiceNow integration, the AI Copilot fetches the data and lists the unsolved ticket history. Sophia decides to prioritize the high-priority tickets, and the Copilot proceeds with it. Sophia schedules a meeting directly through the AI Copilot, ensuring timely resolution. Later, Sophia needs insights into ticket trends for the month. Sophia benefits from AI Copilot's insights generated with the data on ServiceNow, enabling her to implement proactive measures. Mike, a customer, wants to claim a warranty for a smart speaker that stopped working within the warranty period. He accesses AI Copilot for assistance. The AI Copilot walks him through the claim process and provides additional helpful information. The AI Copilot processes the information and requests a copy of the invoice to complete the claim. The AI Copilot verifies the uploaded receipt and sends a confirmation message with a summary. When Mike chooses to check the troubleshooting guide, the Copilot displays a list of steps. Further, Mike decides to go with the warranty claim, and the Copilot processes the request. The final ticket details appear on the screen with a tracking link. The warranty claim ticket is seamlessly submitted to Zendesk, where the support agent can review all the details, including the product information, receipt, and troubleshooting steps attempted. This can help the agent effortlessly assign the ticket to the warranty team and update the status.